Merry Christmas, everyone. And this is a totally separate thing from the tech startup, but like in this video, we're just gonna, talk about where we stand with the startup and open up some presents after this tutorial. But regardless, I just wanted to show you how the thing is looking, what we plan to do, and kind of clarify some questions that some of you may have. So right now, what we have done is the landing page and some of the authentication. Now, I already had the authentication finished with Clerk, but I wanted to challenge myself and kind of up my skills in the authentication side. So I'm trying to implement a Firebase authentication for the application. So I'll quickly show you what's been going on with the Firebase side. So right here it says Firebase. Okay, so there are some issues that we have to solve, which is why part of me is doing this. So if we just hold it over here, this is the quote unquote sign in page, which we will be fixing. But if we try to sign in with an email verification link, look what happens. We get this error. Firebase missing domain, continue to this, whatever, right? But when we log in with our Google authentication, it works. So it's really weird. So we're gonna have to fix that and see what's been going on. But for now, just understand that this is what we're working with, okay? So we've got the landing page where it's in an awkward position. We're in the landing page. So now everything's showing up like we did earlier, like we did in the tech startup like day 16 or something. I don't even think it's out yet, but anyways, and I also added this like gradient lighter look to the app. Looks good. I connected the roadmap so that people could access the roadmap page with the actual application. And then we have the courses page, which we will be adding very soon, and the guides page. Okay, so for now, just want to sit back and relax, just talk while coding, and just talk about what we plan to do with the business. So let's have fun. I don't even celebrate Christmas, but just having fun and coding while have some time off. So it's fun. So I'm gonna put myself. I'm way too big in this picture. Okay. Also, I hope you like this. If you're still watching, comment oranges if you're still watching at this time, so we can know if you're still here. So the main concern that we have to focus on then is this. The sign-in. Why isn't it working, right? It's weird and it's not nice. So let's see what's been going on then, and then we can sort of solve it as we go. So right here, right, when we try to sign in with one of my emails, check your email, but we get this. Let's see. Import trace. Hold on. What if I do this again? Also, I hope you guys are enjoying sort of this debugging side. It's a little bit more real. But okay, so import trace. So nothing's popping up here. It's more so on the profile page where like the export default's like a little bit weird. But in this section, nothing seems to be obvious. Missing domain. Okay. Now I know that if we go to Firebase, what we will find, if I go to the here, I really hope no data shows, man. Holy crap. Okay, so in this section, we have all the user data, right? And if we go to sign in method, we have email and password, we have Google Auth, and we're good on that front, right? But if we go to settings and go to the authorized domains, we have localhost, we have platform, and then the web app. So I don't see why when we try to authenticate in this page, it's not working. You know what it is? It's probably, let's see if it's localhost 3000 / sign in. Like, do we have to do that? Okay, so it's not that. So I just don't get why it won't work when we're authenticating through email. You know what? let's ask our friends over at ChatGPT and see what they say. See what the error is about, and then we can kind of go from there. See, it's weird, right? Like we... Okay. Okay, so maybe HTTP localhost 3000 slash. Update for local should be or. All right, so if we just do HTTP like this, does it still work? It works. So now, can we add like HTTP? So that won't work, right? But now, probably won't work. Auth quota exceeded. It's so weird, man. So we're getting what is the error? $400 bad requests to Google APIs. Let's see this shit, man. It's really weird. It was working earlier on like another sort of section. Okay, let's see if someone has some sort of code here. Let's see what he has here. Email link. Send sign-in link email. Send sign-in link to email. See, why do we need the URL? Can we just... See, I wonder if we could... let's see. This is weird, dude. Like I had it somewhere here. Like check this out, right? So in this, on my past code, let me close this. We had the use client Firebase app from Firebase config, use toast button input, and then all this here. Right? But then, what I'm gonna do then? I'm gonna take this, see if it works. Put it in this section, sort of change things up because I know we're missing a lot of things. And then Firebase app. So what we're missing then is if we go to Firebase config. Not here. Firebase. Yeah, this one. And then in Firebase, if you go to the config page, okay, hold on. You don't need this. No, okay. Okay. Where's the errors at though? Oh, okay. So input. See, we need to get access Firebase config. So this. So if I do that, oh shit, I fucked up, didn't I? Sorry if I'm confusing you guys. Let's see what we can do then. So we're getting sign up from Firebase auth sign up. Right? So in that case, it's from this, which is in Firebase auth sign up. There, no, that's not it. From Firebase / auth / sign up. It's probably not gonna work. I doubt it, but you know what? There's no button. Oh, there is a button. Okay. Yeah, see, it's like not working now, which is freaking odd. I don't know. I don't know. What should we do, guys? Should we just set up Clerk and then worry about like the authentication later? I think that's what I'll do then. I'll set up the Clerk authentication and then we'll address the other things later. So what we're gonna do then is remove Firebase. Remove the sign-in page. Yes. What pages, dude? It's so confusing right now, but yeah, we're fine. So there's no such thing as Firebase users, nothing here like that. So we can move that. Move that. Remove this. And damn, all of this. I used so many things. Okay, and then now we can just create routes. So here. I used it somewhere. I think I used it in, did I use it in My Mentor AI? Auth routes. Okay, so I used authentication routes. This is why I really like when I post projects, because I can do this. So is it sign in and then sign? Yeah, okay. Sign in. Dot. And look, I'm gonna add my own sign in thing, but I just want to do this before freaking the new year. Like we'll go back and add our own authentication, but for now it's fine. Dot sign up. And yeah, we can just head in here. Yeah, we can just add these pages then, eh? So page.tsx. And actually we have to wrap the entire app in the Clerk thing, so we can actually do that. So Clerk is awesome because of Clerk provider. So we can just do that and then wrap the app. So what that will do is ensure that the entire app is authenticated. So now, oh, I need the keys. Okay, so look what we're gonna do. Okay, I don't want to close this, so I'm gonna create a new thing. I'm gonna call it test, and I'm gonna take the stuff that's here and I'm actually gonna publish it, and y'all can't see, but I'm gonna just, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna delete everything just so you guys can't see it. Like this will be, I'll change this later, okay? And then we're gonna set everything up, and then we don't have to worry about anything else, okay? So if we head over then, so now that we have the authenticated things, we can head over, and you know what? I'm gonna delete the Firebase app just in case. I'm very wary of everything. I don't know. I've had some issues in the past with people trying to get access to stuff, so I'm just gonna delete this app. How do we delete this? Yeah, it's in settings. There we go. Bye. Okay, so we're good on that. We have this. Now what we need to do is set this up. So now if we head over to the sign in page, we can actually set this stuff up. So essentially what we need to do is create the freaking page. So if we head over to the dashboard and actually just do RFC like this, and then in here all we need to do is just do sign in, just like that. And then in here, same thing, but sign up. And now when we go to say sign in, takes us to this page and we can authenticate. So let's just put in my email, or sign up, excuse me. Put in like that. Oh, bruh. There we go. And then I can head over to my Gmail. Do this, do that, do this. There we go. We're authenticated. So now we don't have to, we're authenticated now, so we can really do anything. So that's all that's to the authentication on Clerk. Now we can obviously like design it. So like dark mode. There's this thing called Neo. Yeah, there we go. Theme. I forgot what it is. Maybe I have it here, but you just design it really. So I'm just actually gonna oh no, what did I do? Okay, I'm sorry guys, it's just a little little annoying. I hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas. So I'm trying to just get this out now. Like I know the authentication isn't ideal, like I wish it was at least a little better, but I think this is like the best we can do at this time, so I don't mind it. And once we have the app up and running, we'll do more of the fun stuff, you could say. So let's see, now we can go to the profile page, and then here instead of this button we can just do sign out button. So, and look, I like Clerk. I just want to build my own things because I don't want to rely on like a third party for stuff. That makes sense. So now if we make this a div. Jesus Christ. I think we're signed out now, right? So now if we go back to say sign in. Yeah, we're good. Because check this out, okay? Cool. So there we have it. But why is this weird? Like, I'm complaining too much. Okay. So now if I try to get over to sign in, it won't let me because it's protected. Yeah. So that's what I wanted. And now what we can do is head over to the documentations for New Brutalism. I don't know why they named it that. It's just a horrifying name. I installed it earlier, like when I did it the first time. I want this. So import Neo Brutalism. But how do you put it? How do you put it in the code? See, they have a lot of things, so you can lay it out. Okay. Themes. Yeah, but how? Okay. They're not very clear. Appearance. Oh, I see what they're doing. So they're putting it in the Clerk provider page. So if we head over then to the Clerk provider in the layout, here we can import dark Neo Brutalism. Just an insane name, dude. Like that? I don't know. Sign in and then like what? Sign up to? So now if we do sign out. Hey guys, sorry, like just I don't know. Just a little messed right now. I don't know why I'm like all over the place, so I hope you guys are staying with me. God damn, man. Holy shit. Like I'm just all over the place right now, you know? Can I do like an on click? router dot push like that, and then here we do const router supposed to use router from next navigation. Can we do that? So now if we do want to sign out, oh, hold on. So this be in here. So, okay, you know what? I'll worry about the details in a bit. I don't have to worry about it. But now what will happen, I just realized, why don't I just do this? Yeah, that's fine. Dude, I don't know why it's being like this. I don't know, okay? So now, oh, user button maybe? Will that work? Holy shit, man. It's fine. It's totally fine. So now what we can do then, it won't display it because of that, but now we can do like sign in. Okay, so that's what it will look like. That's not what I want, right? Okay, so now when the user goes to sign in, I'm just showing you this is what it will look like. This right here. So this page, it looks really cool like this. And when they can sign in and sign out. So we can work on designing it. I might do this on my own. It's really easy to design it. Like you just have to call the things within it. So like if you go to sign in, and let me just show you in the docs. So you have to specifically show like where you want to design, like what you want to design. So for example, here we have like the color and the variable, and actually, yeah, like look, you have to call like the form button primary. So let's say it's form button, right? So we can actually just do appearance equals form button, or like dot. Right. What am I missing? Elements? Oh, okay. Elements, and then form button primary. So what will happen is you can design what you want it to look like. So BG, like let's say it's purple, 500. When we go to over here, this will be purple. And now we can change this to like hover. So hover BG purple 600 or like 400. So now it gets a little lighter. Oops, there we go. So now when you hover, it's a little lighter. So things like that, right? We can like center the whole div, like we can center this. So class name, flex, items, center, justify center, just stuff like that. And we can remove this eventually, but then we can change stuff like, everything's fine on that sense, really. Like just the text here we could change to, you know what, let's change it on here and then we'll go. But so if we change this to say, I don't know, what do we change it to, guys? Why is it not appearing? Okay, so this. So you see how it says header subtitle. So you see it right here. We can copy that. And then comma, header subtitle, text gray. There we go, text gray. So that's how you update it. It's not that bad. And we'll have to do this for the sign up page as well. But I hope you're getting the gist of how it looks. Now, I'm telling you again. I know it's not ideal, and you know we could do better with the sign up, but you know what? I'm fine with that. At least for now, we can kind of just push through with this, and then throughout the lifetime of the app, we can switch over to our own authentication. But it's just authentication at the end of the day. You know, you're just seeing something and not, and stuff like that. So we'll be fine. Let's see what we can do now. Maybe fix the profile page, because I don't know why it's showing sign out button. Sign out button. I'm doing too much, dude. What if I just do button around it? And then on click, router. So it can't take, okay, router.push. Can I do that? So it won't let me go there because of, yeah, okay, I get it. So now if we just do that, then, yeah, okay. And then when they sign out, we can go back to the main page. So I'm just seeing, how do we go back to the page after? You know, maybe like, we might just put in something that tells us that. So this is an extra div that we don't need. Hold on. Yeah, wait, that's a div we do need, big time. There we go. So it's just showing mistakes. All right, so everything's good now. Things are looking better, and Merry Christmas. I don't know, man. Just a little tired today, guys. I'm sorry. But this is separate from the tech series. You know, I just want to show you the stuff we're working on, like this and guides and stuff like that. But you know, we'll fix the authentication with time, and hopefully everything will work out. But you know, it looks really clean. I'm really proud of how it looks. So again, Merry Christmas, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. So we're opening Christmas gifts. What's up?
Yeah,
Mom, Dad, and me. We're all twinning, so that's always nice.
1, 2, 3, 4. وجيجي 5.
She already got her gift. All right, Dad.
لا داد نحن بدنا نعطيك.
We don't need this.
يلا لوسا ونزار انتو.
All right. Where is it, Mom?
ايه.
Okay, Dad. So this is a very special gift.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
This is so weird. I never thought in a million years I'd be
ليه
twinning.
ما شاركت انت؟
يا عمي ما هذا الناس.
Dad didn't want us to pay for it.
Look.
جيجي مش لك هيك.
يا جيجو.
هيدي للنقية تأكيد.
Hey, man.
تأكد إنه على
بس هو
حبيبي.
هو يدروب.
حبيبي. Thank you.
يلا. Now
Love you.
from mom
Love
to
you guys.
dad.
Of course.
Please.
I remember you were talking to us about it.
طب هلا انا عم بعطيه هيدا.
شو هيدي لك كمان؟ two gifts.
Yay!
I'll open this for you, Dad. Don't worry.
Joyeux Noël.
Joyeux Noël.
Thank you.
Joyeux Noël, Gito. Look, I don't want this. I don't want this. It looks good.
Oh.
Did Dad open
هي
this
بس
for you?
هيدا الباص.
Nice.
Yay! My favorite gift ever.
أنا حأخذ لك إياها بس.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mizo.
I don't think Mom knows that we're grown up now.
Okay.
Yay.
Mizo.
Tata,
It's
sino yan?
here. It's here. Dun 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 dun.
Did you get me the new bike?
No, it's okay.
This the new bike?
A new bike.
Alright, guys.
Can you open
Wow.
Guess why?
Stop taking dads. Thank you.
Why are
Mom.
you always taking dad's things? Every Christmas they buy you something because you take something from dad.
Exactly. Yeah.
Gigi,
And
razor.
last but not least.
we got a new
Last
razor.
but not least.
I wonder who it is.
Me too.
Just take my
Elsa.
phone and put it in the back.
Elsa. Okay, so Elsa, we got her a phone for Christmas.
Yeah.
But,
iPhone 15.
I think it is.
but, just a small gift
Yay.
that Elsa likes, I know.
AirPods.
Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas. My love.
The dog's a little jealous of everyone. Did she already eat it? No, she didn't, huh?
Yummy! There's healthy. Yay. Mango.
Yeah, she definitely got the
chocolate.
worst of the gifts.
No,
أطيب شيء هلا
this was my
هلا
gift.
بدنا نترجم.
Yeah, she got an iPhone
This
before.
is Elsa's gift. We got it
My phone was just
before.
really broken.
Anyways, that was the gift section, guys. Thanks for watching.
And
Yeah,
we'll
same
keep
thing.
you posted.
My mom's a little excited. Dad? Okay, he doesn't say anything. Elsa too. She's a little camera shy.
Camera shot.
Okay, mom. A little bit.